Well, the wind's hitting well over 20 miles an hour and beating the tent to death again today. And it's raining. I got my solar panel set up over there to try to catch the morning because it's past sunset now, or it's getting near past sunset. And I don't want to go outside anymore. It was miserable out there. I pity anybody who has to just live in a tent. I guess they set them up a little tougher sidewall than what I got going on with that one, but it just beats them to ribbons after a while. I'm happy inside though. I got everything I need. I'm just hanging out in my trailer as the wind beats the trailer, and it's fun. Living on the LTVA. Today my brunch variation is going to be steak and poached eggs. I didn't ruin the poached eggs today. At least the yolk stayed complete. They didn't break. I got my yogurt there, and then I'm frying up a piece of steak, New York cut, about half a cut. I'll be showing you the finished product here in a minute or so. But yeah, today's still windy out on the LTVA, but not as bad as last night. It rained. I don't know, in the picture you can see the rain spatter on the solar panels out front, and I got, the window, you can't see it, but I got a lot of wind-blown dust on the windows and the rain spackle. But that's what it's like out here in the vintage trailer on the LTVA. Notice I'm not running outside because it is cold out there. Talk to you soon. I've got a liberal sprinkling of Tabasco sauce on my eggs. Steak it's actually fairly rare. I only do about 5 minutes, 6 minutes of cooking time, but the butter fry gives it a nice kind of caramelized, crusty exterior, which I like. Like I said, the weather is sunny but cold outside. I'm glad to be inside, and I'm grateful to God for this and every other blessing. Have a great day. Well, the wind tore the back out of the tent sometime in the last day while I was hiding in the trailer. I don't know, I'm gonna lay a tarp down over stuff in the inside, see what happens. But once this wind kicks down, we'll be replacing this tent. That's how it goes out here on the LTVA. Looks fine from this position, doesn't it? Except for it's blowing like a windsock. At any rate, great day. Take care.